Hello everyone, this is Amir Salim from Alpha SEO Tools, and today I will introduce you a new tool from my website, which is Simple Contact Us Page Generator, which you can know that can be installed on any website to make a contact us page, and there are a lot of options in it. So let's start. I will briefly introduce you the Simple Contact Us Page Generator. So this is the main interface of the site, and here is the page. Here is the button from where you can generate the contact page. So let me show you how you can use this. First of all, we have to write a company name. I have opened an agriculture website which I own, and we will use the contact icon from here. So just for example, you can use any of it. So the company name is Fasal Bachao. The website is, you have to add HTTPS protocol before the link, so that the link is made properly. So fasalbachao.com, email is fasalbachao@gmail.com. So I will write a WhatsApp number, for example, 44. You don't have to write it, start it with plus or zero. So directly go to the country code and add your number. For example, double four. Country code is plus double four, but I am not adding the plus sign. 7516840401. So for example, this is the code I've entered, and with the Facebook page, let's take it from here. I just copy and link Facebook page, and here's the X or Twitter page. Here's the Instagram page. Sorry, this is the LinkedIn. Here's the LinkedIn page. Here's the Instagram page. If you want to also add YouTube link, you can also add it. So you have added, I have added all the details, and just click generate contact us page, and this will be the small page, a fast page which I have created, and it has all the social media links, as well as the website, email address, and WhatsApp. You can also edit the HTML from here. You can just copy the HTML and paste it anywhere. For example, I'm pasting Notepad to show you. This is the link. I can also show you here in the code beautify section, and this is the link created simply. You can also add multiple emails by adding here in the link, or you can also change the text of the uh, code, and you can write any of code. You can also introduce your website or however you like. Okay, so this is the brief introduction and use of my uh, tool, which is Simple Contact Us Page Generator. So if you like the video, do like it, share the channel, and subscribe to my channel to support me. And for more tools like this, do follow my channel, and I will show you more videos on the SEO, on the on-page SEO, and on the off-page SEO, and many tips regarding the freelancing and other things. So this is also a brief introduction. I will introduce my website, fasalbachao.com, which is an agriculture website, and I add a lot of posts on it, which is English international level posts, and you can also use this. If you need the fasalbachao.com, just comment, message me in the comment, or email at fasalbachao@gmail.com, which I've mentioned here, and I will give you a free of cost post if it is of high quality and AI content free. Thank you very much. Today we will end it here. Bye bye.